Hello all my dear students of class 6th, this is Priyanka Arora once again in front of you, welcoming you all to your maths online class. Yes students, so we were doing chapter number 5 fractions and already I have given you the explanation of all the questions of exercise 5.1 and today in this particular video I will be explaining you all the questions of exercise 5.2. So the topics which we will cover in this particular lecture are to find the smaller and the larger fraction and to arrange the group of fractions in ascending and descending order. So without any more delay, let us begin with question number first of exercise 5.2 in which we have to find out the smaller fraction. So let us begin with question number first of exercise 5.2. So students, this is question number 1 in which we have to find the smaller fraction in each pair. One pair of fractions are given here in each part and we have to find out which one is smaller from two given fractions. So see students, if the denominator is same, अगर denominator same है, then to find out the smaller fraction is very simple. We will compare the numerator. See, if it is here 22 upon 25 एंड here it is 13 upon 25. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है तो न्यूमरेटर में जो ग्रेटर वैल्यू है वही ग्रेटर होती है और जो स्मॉलर है वही स्मॉलर होती है. तो यहाँ पर दोनों में से ग्रेटर कौन सी है? 22 upon 25. 22 is greater than 13. बट क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया है कि विच इज द स्मॉलर. सो वी कैन से दैट 13 upon 25 इज स्मॉलर. तो यहाँ पर दोनों फ्रैक्शंस में से कौन सा फ्रैक्शन स्मॉलर हो गया? 13 upon 25 स्मॉलर हो गया. बी पार्ट में भी आप देखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स की डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. तो अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो स्मॉलर और ग्रेटर फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी है. आप बस न्यूमरेटर को कंपेयर करिए. तो यहाँ पर 3 और 4 में से ग्रेटर कौन सा है? 4. सो इफ 4 इज ग्रेटर दैट मीन्स 3 इज स्मॉलर. सो हेयर 3 upon 5 इज स्मॉलर. यहाँ पर 3 upon 5 जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा? स्मॉलर हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली सी पार्ट, हेयर ऑल्सो द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर इक्वल. सो डिनोमिनेटर्स आर इक्वल दैट मीन्स इट इज लाइक फ्रैक्शन. सो इन लाइक फ्रैक्शन द numerator will be compared. So from 7 and 5 the greater number is 7. So the smaller is 5 upon 10 is smaller. So this is how to find out the smaller fraction from the given pair if the denominators are similar. But what if the denominators are different? अगर denominators different है तो हम क्या करेंगे? So see, if the denominators are different, then we follow the method of cross multiplication. तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम cross multiplication के method को फॉलो करते हैं. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स कि जो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर है उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं सेकंड फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर में. तो यहाँ पर देखिए फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर है 16 और सेकंड फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर है 95. तो ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. बीच में हम बनाएंगे एक बॉक्स कंपेयर करने के लिए और फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं सेकंड फ्रैक्शन के न्यूमरेटर से. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इस तरीके से हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 16 को 95 से करेंगे और 14 को 19 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, एंड देन वी विल राइट द रिजल्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 16 and 95 you will get here 1520 and this side you will get 266. So now from 1520 and 266 which is greater? 1520 is greater. So if 1520 is greater that means which is smaller? 266. और 266 के जस्ट ऊपर कौन सा फ्रैक्शन है? 14 upon 95. So 14 upon 95 is smaller. So जो साइड आपकी स्मॉलर आएगी उसी के ऊपर का जो फ्रैक्शन होगा जस्ट ऊपर वही फ्रैक्शन स्मॉलर काउंट होगा. तो अभी 266 स्मॉलर है और 266 के जस्ट ऊपर 14 upon 95 है. दैट मीन्स द स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शन फ्रॉम बोथ दिस इज 14 upon 95. Similarly, we have to do part E and part F. So firstly pay attention on part E. It is 9 upon 16 और 7 upon 12. Again the denominators are different. Denominator different है तो हम cross multiplication करके find out करेंगे. तो 9 को हम multiply करेंगे 12 से और 16 को हम multiply करेंगे 7 से. First of all we begin with the लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, पहले हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के न्यूमरेटर से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो यहाँ आ जाएगा 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12, बीच में हम लगाएंगे एक बॉक्स कंपैरिजन के लिए, एंड 16 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7. So after multiplication 12 9s is equals to 108 and 16 7s is equals to 112. So from 108 and 112 the greater number is 112. So if 112 is greater, that means 108 is smaller, and above 108 the fraction is 9 upon 16. So 9 upon 16 is smaller. तो यहाँ पर जो स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शन होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, 9 upon 16. ओके, सो नाउ पार्ट F. इट इज 5 upon 13 और 5 upon 8. 5 upon 13 और 5 upon 8 में से कौन सा फ्रैक्शन है जो स्मॉलर है? सो नाउ अगेन डिनोमिनेटर आर डिफरेंट, सो वी विल डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो 5 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8 एंड 13 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5. तो जब आप 5 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इस तरफ, एंड अदर साइड यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 13 एंड 5. सो 5 8s is equal to 40 and 13 5s is equals to 65. So greater is 65. So if 65 is greater, that means 40 is smaller, and above 40 which fraction is there? It is 5 upon 13. So it will be smaller. So 5 upon 13 is smaller. So this is how, students, we have to find the smaller fraction. Now in question number 2 we have to find out the larger fraction. So larger fraction find out करने के लिए भी प्रोसीजर यही रहेगा. यहाँ पर भी आप देखिए कि अगर इनमें से larger fraction पूछा जाता, अभी स्मॉलर पूछा था तो हमने स्मॉलर बताया, अगर लार्जर पूछा जाता लाइक इस पार्ट में से अगर लार्जर फ्रैक्शन पूछा जाए तो 112 जो है वो लार्जर है. 112 के जस्ट ऊपर कौन सा फ्रैक्शन है, 7 upon 12, तो 7 upon 12 इसमें लार्जर हो जाएगा. सो दिस वी विल डिस्कस मोर इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. So let us move on to question number 2. Yes students, question number 2 is to find the larger fraction from the given pair. So here again, if the denominators are same, so in A part you can see that 11 upon 18 and 13 upon 18, these two fractions are there. That means the denominators are same here, and I told you in the previous question, if the denominators are same, then to compare it is very easy. So now from 11 and 13 the greater one is 13. So which fraction is greater here? Here 13 upon 18 is larger. Larger fraction is asked, so this one will be larger. Similarly in B part the fractions are 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Again the denominators are similar. So if denominators are similar we will compare the numerator. So from numerator 4 and 3, 4 is greater. So here 4 upon 7 is larger fraction. Then in part C 14 upon 29 and 7 upon 29. Again the denominators are similar in C part also. So we will compare the numerator. So from 14 and 7 the greater is 14. So we can write 14 upon 29 is larger. So part A, B and C are quite simple because there the denominators are same. So when the denominators are same we compare only the numerator and then the result becomes very easy. Now from part D the denominators are different. So again if the denominators are different we will follow the method of cross multiplication. So here 5 will be multiplied by 15 and 9 will be multiplied by 7. So this side we will write 5 multiplied by 15. In the center we will draw one box, and 9 multiplied by 7. So 15 5s is equals to 75 and 9 7s is equals to 63. So from 75 and 63 greater one is 75, and above 75 which fraction is there, 5 upon 9. So 5 upon 9 is larger. We have to write down the larger fraction. So the larger side is this side. So this side you can see the fraction 5 upon 9 is there. Now let us move on to part E. Again the denominators are different, so we will follow the method of cross multiplication. 20 will be multiplied by 91 and 39 will be multiplied by 30. This is the way of multiplying, cross multiply. So first fraction numerator will be multiplied by second fraction's denominator, and first fraction's denominator will be multiplied by second fraction's numerator. Now multiply 20 into 91 this side and that side 39 into 30. So here the answer will come 1820 and here 1170. After multiplication we will get this answer. So which side is greater? 1820 is greater. 1820 is greater. That means which fraction is greater? Above 1820 you can see the fraction 20 upon 39. So 20 upon 39 is larger. Okay. Then in part F, again we can see that the denominators are different. So we will do cross multiplication. So here 15 will be multiplied by 63 and other side 49 will be multiplied by 79. See, 15 will be multiplied by 63 and 49 will be multiplied by 79. So after multiplication we will get the result as 15 into 63 945 and 49 into 17 is equals to 833. So from these two numbers the greater number is 945 and above 945 the fraction is 15 upon 49. So 15 upon 49 is larger. So this is how students we can find the smaller and the larger fraction. I hope both the questions are clear to you. Now question number third is to arrange the given fractions into ascending order. कुछ fractions given है और हमें उसको ascending order में arrange करना है. तो देखिए in this particular question total 5 parts are there, but from 5 parts I will be explaining only 2 parts because rest all the parts are similar. So if you will understand in 2 parts then you can solve the remaining parts yourself. So see, I am explaining firstly the B part. Here you can see students that the denominators are different. If the denominators are different then we cannot arrange it directly in the ascending order. So firstly we have to make the denominator same. सबसे पहले हम denominators को same करेंगे and to make the denominators same we have to take the LCM of denominators. तो LCM लेंगे हम denominator में जितनी भी values है. तो पहले हम corner में LCM लेंगे और denominators है 5, then 4 and 12 and 20. So we will take the LCM of these 4 terms. So from 2 firstly 5 will come as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12 and 2 10s are 20. Again by the table of 2 5 will come as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. I have already explained you in my previous videos how to find the LCM. So I hope you must remember. Now by the table of 3 5 will come as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3 and 5 as it is. Now by the table of 5 directly, so 1 1 1 1. Here we got all the 1. So we will multiply the prime numbers which are outside it. So 2 into 2 is equals to 4, 4 into 3 is 12 and 12 into 5 is equals to 60. That means our LCM is equal to 60. हमारा LCM आ गया है यहाँ पर 60. Now what we will do? We will make 4 horizontal lines. अब आप क्या करिए? अब आप 4 horizontal lines draw कर लीजिए. Why 4? Because 4 fractions are there. Question में 4 fractions थे तो हमने 4 horizontal lines पहले draw कर ली है. Now we will write this LCM 60 in the denominator of these 4 horizontal lines. हमने denominator में LCM 60 को place कर दिया. Now you have to see one by one that in the table of these denominators how many times this LCM 60 comes. So first of all we will start with the first fraction in the table of 5. How many times 60 comes? 5 के table में 60 आता है 12 times. So we will write here 12. जितने भी times आता है आप उसको पहले लिख देंगे. Then put the sign of multiplication and multiply it by the numerator. So in numerator it is number 2. Now come on the next fraction and see the table of 4. In the table of 4 how many times 60 comes? 4 के table में 60 कितने टाइम्स आता है? सो 4 की टेबल में 60 आता है 15 टाइम्स. तो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 1 5 15 एंड देन वी विल पुट द साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन और उस 15 को हम न्यूमरेटर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा नंबर 3. नाउ in the table of 12 how many times 60 comes? 12 की टेबल में 60 कितने टाइम्स आता है? It comes 5 times. 12 5s are 60. So we will write 5 here. Then we will put multiplication sign और 12 के ऊपर न्यूमरेटर है 7, so it will be multiplied by 7. Next fraction 20 की टेबल में 60 कितने टाइम्स आता है? It comes 3 times. So we will write 3 here, put multiplication sign, and above 20 the number is 11, numerator is 11, so we will write 11 there. Next step, we will multiply the numerator. So 12 2s is equals to 24, denominator will come 60 only. 15 3s is equals to 45, denominator will come 60 only. 5 7s is equals to 35, denominator 60. 3 11 times is equals to 33, denominator 60. Now see students, we got 60 60 60 60 in the denominator. That means we got the like fraction now. Now once we get the like fraction, then it is very simple to arrange it in ascending or descending order. So right now we have to arrange these fraction in ascending order. पहले हमें इसको ascending में arrange करना है. Ascending means smallest to ग्रेटेस्ट. तो आप न्यूमरेटर देखेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर में सबसे छोटा न्यूमरेटर कौन सा है? सो सबसे छोटा है 24. सो सबसे पहले आ जाएगा 24/60. अब हम लगाएंगे लेस देन का साइन. ओके, 24/60 छोटा है और इसका नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन बड़ा होगा. तो 24/60 के बाद में ये फ्रैक्शन हम लिख चुके हैं. अब कौन से बच गए? ये 3 फ्रैक्शन. तो इसमें से स्मॉलर कौन सा है? 33/60. सो वी विल बी राइटिंग 33/60. After 33/60 will come 35/60, and after 35/60 will come 45/60. Now, after writing the arranged ascending order, we will write its original fraction also. इसके original fraction भी लिखेंगे. तो 24/60 का original fraction क्या था? First fraction 2/5. तो इसके नीचे आ जाएगा 2/5. Then 33/60 लास्ट. सो लास्ट फ्रैक्शन क्या था? 11/20, एंड देन उसके बाद में 35/60. दैट मीन्स लास्ट सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन. सो इट इज 7/12, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट 45/60. सो 45/60 is the second fraction. So 3/4. So at the last we have to write the original fraction also and show it in the ascending order. So these both are the answer, and this is how we can arrange the given fractions in ascending order. So I am explaining one more part to you so that you can understand it more clearly. So students, here I am giving you part D now. It is 4/9, 7/3, 7/8 and 5/6. Again you can see that the denominators are different. So first of all we'll take the LCM of the denominators to make the denominators same. So here I am taking the LCM of denominator. It is 9, 3, 8 and 6. So firstly by the table of 2, 9 will come as it is, 3 as it is, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Again by the table of 2, 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, and then 3 as it is. Again by the table of 2, 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, and then 3 as it is. And then by the table of 3 now. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, and 3 1s are 3. Again by the table of 3. So 1 1 1 and 1. So now we will multiply the prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 3 3s are 9, and 8 9s is equals to 72. So here the LCM of these denominator is equal to 72. So here we will write the LCM as 72, and then as I told you we have to draw the 4 horizontal lines. So here I have drawn the 4 horizontal lines. Now in the denominator of these horizontal line I will mention this LCM 72. So here I have mentioned 72 everywhere. Now one by one we will check the tables of this denominator, that how many times this LCM 72 comes in that particular table. So firstly in the table of 9, 72 comes 8 times. 9 8s are 72. Multiply by the numerator 4. 8 into 4. Then in the table of 3, so in the table of 3, 7 doesn't come, smaller than 7 comes 6, 2 times, 1 carry over, 12. So 4. In the table of 3, 72 comes 24 times, multiply by number 7 of the numerator. In the table of 8, 72 comes 9 times, 8 9s are 72, multiply by the numerator 7. And then in the table of 6, 72 comes, it comes 12 times, 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, and 12 will be multiplied by the numerator 5. Now next step we will do multiplication. So 8 4s is equals to 32 upon 72. Then 24 into 7. So 7 4s is 28. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 is equals to 16 upon 72. Then 9 7s are 63 upon 72. And 12 5s is 60 upon 72. Now the denominators are same, so we can arrange it into ascending order. So see, in ascending order, first of all the smallest. So the smallest from all this is this number. So first of all 32 upon 72 will come. Now less than, next number will be 60 upon 72. After 60 upon 72 will come 63 upon 72. And at last the greatest 168 upon 72. And now we will be writing its original fraction. So 32 upon 72, first fraction, that is 4 upon 9. Then less than 60 upon 72, that means last fraction. So it will be 5 upon 6. Then 63 upon 72, that means third fraction. So 7 upon 8. And at last 168 upon 72, that means second fraction. So 7 upon 3. So like this we have to arrange the given fractions into ascending order. So as I told you that there are total 5 parts, but I have explained you only 2 parts to give you the concept of how to arrange the fractional numbers into ascending order. Now remaining 3 parts you try to solve it yourself, and then I will give you the discussion of the remaining 3 parts in our live class. So with this, let us move on to the next question, that is question number 4, where we have to arrange the fractions into descending order. Now the next question is question number 4, where we have to arrange the fractions in descending order. In previous question I have taught you how to arrange the fractions in ascending order. In this question we will do how to arrange the fractions in descending order. So it is just reverse of previous question. There we have arranged the fraction in smallest to greatest, and here we will arranging the fractions into greatest to smallest. Rest all the procedure will be similar. So see, here also you can notice that the denominators are different. So first of all we will take the LCM of the denominators. So denominators are 9, 12, 3 and 20. So by the table of 2, 9 as it is, 2 6 are 12, 3 as it is, and 2 10s are 20. Again by the table of 2, so 9 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 3 as it is, and 2 5s are 10. Now by the table of 3, so 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 5 as it is. Again by the table of 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, and 5 as it is. Now by the table of 5, so 1 1 1 1. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So 9 4s is 36, and 36 into 5. So here we have to multiply 36 into 5. So 6, 5 6 is 30, 3 in mind, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is equals to 180. So our LCM will be 180. So here we will mention LCM is equals to 180. Now we will draw 4 horizontal lines again. So like this you have to draw the 4 horizontal line. Now mention this LCM in the denominator everywhere. 180, 180, 180 and 180. Now we will check the table. In the table of 9, 180 comes 20 times, because 9 twos is 18 and 0 as it is. Then 20 will be multiplied by 4. Then in the table of 12, 180 comes 15 times. 12 into 15, because 12 ones are 12, 6 carry over, 60, 12 fives are 60. 15 multiplied by numerator 7. In the table of 3, 180 comes 60 times, because 3 6 are 18 and then 0. 60 will be multiplied by 2. Then in the table of 20, 180 comes 9 times. 9 multiplied by 11. Now, so multiply it in the next step. 20 into 4 is equals to 80 upon 180. Then 15 into 7 is equals to 105 upon 180. 60 into 2 is equals to 120 upon 180. And 9 into 11 is equals to 99 upon 180. Now, till here the steps are same as we have done in the previous question. Now, after this we have to arrange it in descending order. In previous question we have arranged in ascending order. So descending order means the greatest fraction. So the greatest from all this is 120. So 120 upon 180. Now the sign of greater than will come. After 120 will come 105 upon 180. Then after 105 will come 99 upon 180. And at last it will come 80 upon 180. So 80 upon 180. Now we will write the original fraction of this. So original fraction of 120 upon 180, third fraction, that is 2 upon 3. It will come in the beginning. Then 105 upon 180, that means second fraction. So 7 upon 12 will come after this. And then 99 upon 180, that means last fraction. So 11 upon 20 will come. And then greater than sign, 80 upon 180. So 80 upon 180 is the first fraction. So that is 4 upon 9. So this is the answer of part B of question number 4. I hope it is clear. So let us now move on to part D of question number 4. It is 5 upon 12, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 9. Again we have to arrange these fraction in descending order. So you can see that the denominators are different. So firstly we will take the LCM of the denominator to make it similar. So 12, 9, 8, 9. By the table of 2, 2 6 are 12, 9 as it is, 2 4s are 8 and again 9 as it is. Again by the table of 2, so 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is, 2 2s are 4 and 9 as it is. By the table of 2 again, 3 as it is, 9 as it is, 2 1s are 2 and 9 as it is. By the table of 3 now, so 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 as it is and 3 3s are 9. Again by the table of 3, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So here we have finished our LCM. Multiply the prime numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9. So 8 9s is 72. So again our LCM is 72. So here we will write our LCM, that is equals to 72. Now we will draw 4 horizontal lines again. So I am drawing here the 4 horizontal lines and now I will arrange the LCM 72 in the denominators of horizontal line. So here I have arranged the LCM. Now I will check the tables of denominator. In the table of 12, 72 comes 6 times. So here I have mentioned 6. It will be multiplied by the numerator 5. Then in the table of 9, 72 comes 8 times. 8 will be multiplied by 4. In the table of 8, 72 comes 9 times. 9 will be multiplied by numerator 5. In the table of 9, 72 comes 8 times. 8 will be multiplied by 7. Now multiply it in the next step. 6 5s are 30 upon 72. Then 8 4s are 32 upon 72. 9 5s are 45 upon 72. And 7 8s are 56 upon 72. Here we have made our denominator similar. So now we will arrange these fractions into descending order. That means greatest to smallest. So from all these fractions, the greatest one is 56 upon 72, greater than sign. After this 45 upon 72, after this 32 upon 72, and at last 30 upon 72. So now we will write its original fraction also. So 56 upon 72 is the last fraction, that means 7 upon 9. Then 45 upon 72 is the third fraction, that means 5 upon 8. Then 32 upon 72 is the second fraction, that is 4 upon 9. And at last 30 upon 72 is the first fraction, that means 5 upon 12. So like this we can arrange the given fractions into descending order. So here I have taught you 4 questions, and in those 4 questions, first question we have done how to find out the smaller fraction from the given pair of fraction. Then question number 2 we have discussed about how to find the larger fraction from the given pair of fraction. Then in question number 3 I taught you how to arrange the fractions in ascending order, and finally in this question number 4 we have discussed how to arrange the fractions in descending order. I hope students all the 4 topics, all the 4 questions are clear to you. Please go through the video and understand the concept of all these 4 topics, and then try solving all these questions by yourself. And those parts which I have not discussed in today's video, that I will discuss with you all in the live class of maths. Okay students, so today here only I am ending my lecture. Now I will meet you back in the next online class where I will be teaching you the new topic, new exercise. So till then you please complete this work in your notebook. I will meet you back again in the next class. Till then please take good care of yourself. Thank you so much.